Which guys, this is Anonymous again signing in. Okay, and the title of my tutorial is this. Okay, that's the title of my tutorial. Anonymous tutorial ha. Yahoo Booter, Yahoo Mimic, Welcomer, Spammer, Room Booter with Auto Boot on Join, all in one. Okay, now watch the room. See, that's a what? That's a room spammer, room mimicker, typing room mimicker. That's a room booter with auto join boot. Okay, that's a welcomer. So I'm doing a 5-in-1 putting in here in Metro Manila Barkada 45. As you can see, watch the room. I use these two tools only. Just to do that, I'm destroying the room here in Metro Manila Barkada 5. Watch the room. There it goes. Watch very carefully the room. Look left. Okay, it's a room booting, spammer. Okay, welcomer, and mimicker. The ID that is mimicking all typing the room is lipstick babe. That's my ID. Now you see, no one's typing in the room. Why? Because I do mimic their typing in the room. And you see the flood. Okay. See the flood. Okay. It's a flood spammer in the room. Okay. This is how I love these tools. And you see, I already grabbed the VC. See? So this is Anonymous in YouTube. As you can see some of my tutorials, please do have a comment. If you do have a comment on my tutorial in YouTube, please buzz me at unoma05@yahoo.com. This is a request from a YouTube viewer, so I'm doing this for his and maybe your amusement in YouTube. So please bear with me as I do my tutorial here. As you can see, I'm doing a room boot with auto join boot. I'm doing a mimicker. Okay, I'm doing a welcomer, and I'm doing a flood spammer in the room, all in one. Just a two tools all in one. I'm doing this, so I'm doing 5 booting in the room. Okay, so this is Anonymous of Y Republica. Signing out. I love you guys. I love you, YouTube. I love you. Please do subscribe in my tutorial in YouTube. Okay, if you do have a comment, just pass me and write a comment in there. I love you guys. Bye.